dear beloved, Boss Mike, Cervera.
Piatos is a name that has become synonymous with alleged corruption and misuse of public funds in the Philippines.
O, totoo ka dyan, ate. Totoo ka. Sinabi mo pa. Oh.
The name emerged during investigations into the office of the Vice President, OVP, under Vice President Sara Duterte, specifically regarding the use of confidential funds. The controversy began when documents obtained by the House of Representatives revealed that Mary Grace Piatos was
Pakinggan nyo maigi to, mga kababayan. Talaga naman, ano. Buti sana kung ganyan ang itsura ni Sara. Oo, ganda niya, no? O, sige, tuloy.
listed as a recipient of confidential funds from the OVP. Lawmakers raised concerns about the legitimacy of the name, as it appeared to be fictitious, similar to other names listed as recipients, such as Fernando Tempura, Carlos Miguel Oishi, and Chippy McDonald. All
Hinango rin yung mga pangalan sa foreigner, ano? Chippy McDonald, Amerika yun, ah. Uwishi, Japan yun. Japan yun. Oh. Ano pa? At saka ano? Yung Nova. Dito lang yun sa Pilipinas, Nova. local, mga kababayan. Tempura. Naku, Japanese din yun. Grabe, no, mga kababayan, ano? O, sige.
mimicking popular snack brands. The House of Representatives offered a P1 million reward for any information about Mary Grace Piatos. This further fueled speculation about the veracity of the name and the potential misuse of public funds. The Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, conducted an investigation and confirmed that Mary Grace Piatos does not exist in their records.
Totoo po yan, ate. Wala talagang record. Sinungaling nga sila eh. Pati si Bato. Si Bato, kala mo malinis? Oo, yung ulo malinis. Pero, yung sinasabi niya maraming piatos, sinungaling ang budhi nun. Kung malinis, ulo lang. Di ba, mga kababayan? Sige, tuloy.
This revelation solidified suspicions that the OVP had fabricated documents and used fictitious names to justify
Grabe, no, mga kababayan, pati sa ibang bansa na pinag-uusapan na siya. Mangibabain. Mangibabain.
spending confidential funds. The non-existence of Mary Grace Piatos has significant implications. Fraud and misuse of public funds.
Correct! Fraud and misuse of public funds. Tama! Oo! Buti ho, alam nyo, no? Ate, buti alam mo. Tuloy.
The use of a fictitious name suggests a deliberate attempt to deceive and misappropriate public funds. Lack of transparency and accountability. The fabrication of documents highlights a lack of transparency and accountability
Correct!
within the OVP. Erosion of public trust. The controversy has eroded public trust in the government and its ability to manage public funds responsibly. Lawmakers have called for further scrutiny of the OVP's financial transactions and have urged Vice President Duterte to appear before the House panel to explain her role in the matter.
Hindi nga nagpaliwanag, ate. Hindi ho, nagpaliwanag. Oo, Ate Inang. Yan ho si Ate Inang. Diba? Hindi nga ho nagpaliwanag.
The revelation has also raised questions about the validity of other acknowledgement receipts submitted by the OVP and the potential for other fraudulent activities. The Mary Grace Piatos controversy is a stark reminder of the importance of transparency and accountability in government.
Correct! Ang galing-galing nila. Tuloy. Para maliwanagan na yung mga DDS, ano?
The use of a fictitious name to justify spending confidential funds is a serious offense that undermines public trust and erodes the integrity of public institutions.
Correct ulit!
The ongoing investigations and scrutiny of the OVP's financial transactions are crucial to ensure that public funds are used responsibly and that those responsible for any wrongdoing are held accountable.
Correct! Kaya nga, Acheng, itichismis ko lang sa'yo, gawa mo ulit, Gawa mo ulit ng content. Si Sara na-impeach na sa Congress. Oo. Si ni Sara na impeach na sa Congress. Ako, patay tayo dyan. Wala na.
Our beloved Boss Mike, Boss Mike.